Hello children, hope you are doing good. So we have completed up to the 10th sum in exercise 1.1, right? So we need to do the objective type questions which is in page number 14. So let us do it, okay? So you need to copy this in your marks notebook, okay children? So put today's date. So and write the heading as objective type questions. And write question number 1, okay. So what is the question number 1? So the number which is subtracted from -6 to get 8 upon 9 is dash, okay. So write the question in your note. So just what is given in that question? So the number which is subtracted from, okay, so 11th one, right? So the number which is subtracted from -6 upon 11, okay. So minus something, okay. We don't know this, okay. So that is equal to 8 upon 9, okay. 8 upon 9. This is given in the question, okay. So let us assume the space as x, okay. Let us assume the space as x. So the question we are having is the number which is subtracted from -6 upon 11 to get 8 upon 9, okay. The number is this, okay. So the number which is subtracted from, okay, the from is mentioned there. So that we are bringing the first term as -6 upon 11, okay. So -6 upon 11 minus x equal to 8 upon 9. So we can solve it easily, right? We need to bring x in one side and another rational number in one side, okay children. So let us do. So -6 upon 11, okay, we are bringing this rational number to this side. So it is having plus sign, right? So if it is moving to this side means we need to put minus symbol, okay. So -6 upon 11 minus 8 upon 9 equal to x, okay. So minus x is here. If it moves to the another side means we'll get x, okay. So see here, these two rational numbers are having different denominators, okay, different denominators. So that's what we need to do. We can take LCM or else we can do by cross multiplication method, okay. Let us prefer the cross multiplication method. So 11 into 9, 99, okay, 99, and then cross multiply 6 9s are 54, right? 54 minus 54, okay. And also we are having minus here, and again cross multiply 11 into 8, 88, okay. So equal to x. Now we can add very easily, right? So see, we are having same sign, so that we can add and put the same sign, okay children. So 88 plus 54. And this, what will you get? So 2, 12, right? So 2 and here 1, so 142. Okay, so the answer is minus 142 upon 99. Okay children, so x equal to minus 142 upon 99. So which is the answer? Option B is the answer. Okay children, so you should write the question number 11 in your notebook, and after that write this explanation, okay. Write the answer as like this, and at the last you need to write the answer as option B, 100 minus 142 upon 99. Okay, after this you can draw a line by using scale and pencil, okay children. So copy it in your notebook, pause the video and copy, okay. So after completing this, write the 12th question, okay. So after writing the 11th question, so write the 12th question. So what is the question? So which of the following pairs is equivalent? Okay, which of the following pairs is equivalent? So they had given 4 options, right? So we are going to check which pair is equivalent. Okay, let us do. So I had written the options on the board. See, so the first option, see the first option, option A, minus 20 upon 12, comma 5 upon 3. So first of all, see, we are having negative in one fraction, and another one we are having positive, okay. So So this one is a negative rational number and this one is the positive rational number. So that it can't be an equivalent rational number. Okay, children. So that we can strike it out. So let us see the next one. So 16 upon minus 30. Okay, and then minus 8 upon 15. Okay, let us check. So we can strike it out by 2 table, right? We can simplify it by 2 tables. So 8 2s are 16 and 1 2 is 2. So that remaining 1. So 5 2s are 10. Okay, children. And then here and then here. See, we are having minus, right? So we got my 8 upon 15. So minus 8 upon 15, comma minus 8 upon 15. So that it's an equivalent fraction. Okay, children. So it's an equivalent fraction. This is the answer. Okay. Let us check the next 2 fractions also. Next 2 rational numbers also. Okay. This one minus 18 upon 36 minus 20 upon 44. Okay. So let us use 2 table. Okay. So 9 2s are 18 and 1 2 is 2. So remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Okay. And again 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18. So we will get minus 1 by 2. And here 1 2 is 2 and 0. And again here 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. And again 5 2s are 10. And here 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. So what will you get? Minus 1 upon 2, comma 5 upon 11. Is it an equivalent fraction? No, right? So that we can strike it out. And then see the last option, 7 upon minus 5, comma 5 upon 7. So it is totally different, right? So here 7 upon minus 5 and minus 5 upon 7. Here the numerator, in the next rational number we are having that as the denominator. So that it is not an equivalent fraction, so that we can also strike it out. Okay. So which is the equivalent fraction? Option B is only the equivalent fraction. Okay. So 16 upon minus 30, comma minus 8 upon 15. Okay, is only the pair of equivalent fraction. Okay, children. So write it in your notebook. At the last, write. Okay. Option B, that is 16 upon minus 30, comma minus 8 upon 15. Okay, likewise at the last you can write incomplete. Okay. So after completing this, write the 13th question. Pause the video and complete this. Okay. So after this, write 13th. So then the 13th question, minus 5 upon 4 is a rational number which lies between dash. Okay, minus 5 upon 4 was given. So it lies between, okay, we need to find the numbers. Okay, we need to find the integers which lies between. Okay, so let us find. See, we are having minus 5 upon 4. 13th question. Okay, so minus 5 upon 4. How will you find this question? How will you find the answer for this? So minus 5 upon 4 is a rational number which lies between dash and dash. That is the question, right? So first of all, what we need to do? We need to divide this. Okay, so 5 and 4. Okay, so 1 4 is 4. So what is the remainder? 1. Okay, so what is the quotient here? 1 upon 4. Okay, this is the, so minus, okay, minus of, so we got the mixed number. Okay, so minus 1 by 4. Okay, minus 1 by 4. So we can draw the number line. Okay, so in the number line, so here if we are having 1 and 0, here minus 1, minus 2. See, minus 1, right? So after minus 1, we are having 1 upon 4. So it will be between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay. So in between this, we will have 4 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, the first part is this. Okay, so this is minus 5 upon 4. Okay children, so that it is between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Okay children, so option C, minus 2 and minus 1. Sorry, minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, so write it, copy it in your notebook. So pause the video and copy. Okay, so let us see the next one in objective type question. Okay, so the 14th question, write the 14th question in your notebook. Okay, so which of the following rational number is the greatest? Okay, so they had given 4 options, so we are going to see all the numbers. Okay, see all the rational numbers here. 17 upon minus 17 upon 24, minus 13 upon 16, 7 upon minus 8, and then minus 31 upon 32, is it? So all these rational number have different denominators. So that what we need to do? We need to take LCM for all these denominators and we are going to find which is the greatest rational number. Okay children, so let me explain this by doing in the board. Okay, so first of all what we need to do? First of all you should copy the question in your notebook. Okay, after that copy it what I am doing on the board. Okay children, so these are all the options which was given. Okay, so what is the question? Which of the following rational number is the greatest? Okay, first of all we are going to find the LCM for all these denominators. Okay, so the LCM of 24, 16, minus 8, okay, minus 8 we can put 8, okay, and then 32. Okay, so we are just taking LCM for all these denominators. So first of all the first prime number is 2, right? So we can put 2 here, so that 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, and again 8 2s are 16, okay, and 4 2s are 8, and here 1 2 is 2 and remaining 1, so 6 2s are 12. Okay, so again we can put 2, so 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 8 2s are 16. Okay children, and again we can continue with the 2, right? So 2, so 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, and 4 2s are 8. Okay, again we can continue with the 2, right? So 2, so 3, and 1 2 is 2, 1, and 2 2s are 4. So we can put 2 and also 3. Okay, so first of all 2, so we will get 3, 1, 1, and here 1. Okay, now we can put 3. Okay, so 3, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So what is the LCM? So LCM equal to, so just multiply all the numbers. Okay, so 2 into 2 into, so how many 2? 2 into 2 into 2 into 4, 5. Okay, 5 times 2. So 5, and then at the last we are having 3. Okay, so 3. So 5 times 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay, 32 into 3, 32 into 3, 96. Okay, so the LCM is 96. Okay children, so the LCM we are getting is 96. Okay, so let us find which is greater. So see, just see this. So what will be multiplied with this 24 to get 96? 24 into 4. Okay, try this. Okay, 24 into 4. Okay children, so what will be multiplied with this 16 to get 96? With 16 to get 96, it is 6. Okay, 16 into 6 is 96. Okay children, so just multiply into 6 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay children, and then here we are having the denominator as 8, right? So 8 into 12 is 96. Okay children, 8 into 12. So we need to multiply 12 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay children, and then 32 into 3 is 96. Okay, 32 into 3. Okay, you need to multiply 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So what will you get? So 17 into 4, multiply and say 17 into 4. 6. Okay, 68. Okay, first of all, for this we are getting minus 68 upon 96. Okay, this is the first term. Okay, A. And then second one, 13 into 6, 13 6 are 78. Okay, minus 78 upon 96. Okay, and then third term, 7 12s are 5 12s are 60, 7 12s are 84. Okay, so minus 84. Okay, minus 84 upon 96. And then 31 into 3, 31 3s are 31 into 3. And 3 is 3 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, so we are getting 93. Okay, so minus 93 upon 96. Okay children, so now say which is greater. So in the negative integers, in the negative rational numbers, smallest digit, okay, smallest one is the greatest one, right? We know, right? If you are having a number line means here 0 and here you will have 1. So if it is moving on means at the end we will have the greatest number, minus 1, minus 2, likewise here minus 10, likewise it will move on, right? So here we are having minus 68 upon 96, minus 68 means, and then here minus 78 upon 96. So which is the greatest one? So the number which is in the right side, okay, right side like the number the greater, we know that, right? So that upper right side na negative la smallest the greater, so that this one is the greatest one. Okay, so option A is greater. Okay children, option A is greater. Copy it in your notebook, pause the video and copy. Okay children. And then 15th question. See 15th question, the sum of the digits of the denominator in the simplest form of 112 upon 528 is dash. Okay, so first of all what we need to do? First of all we need to bring this 112 upon 528 into simplest form. Okay, after that the sum of the digits of the denominator. Okay, so first of all, what is the question we are having? So 112 upon 528. Okay, first of all we need to bring this into smallest term, and after that we need to find the sum of the digits of the denominator. Okay, sum of the digits of the denominator means denominator like 3 digits irukku appadina, we need to add all the digits. Okay children, so first let us bring this rational number in the simplest form. Okay, let us bring. Okay, so see we are having 112 upon 528. Okay, so first of all we can cancel this by using 2 table, right? So 4 2s are 5 2s are 10, right? 5 2s are 10, so remaining 1. Okay, so 6 2s are 12. Okay, and here 2 2s are 4, so remaining 1. So we can consider this as 12. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, and then we are having 8. So 4 2s are 8. Again we can simplify. Now we are having 56 upon 264. Okay, so again we can cut by using 2 table. So 2 2s are 4. So remaining 1. Okay, so 8 2s are 16. Okay children, and again here the denominator 1 2 is 2, and then 3 2s are 6. Okay, and then 2 2s are 4. And again we can write, so 28 upon 132. Again we can simplify by using 2 tables. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay, and again here 6 2s are 12. So remaining 1. So 6 2s are 12 again. So what we are having? 14 upon 66. Okay, 14 upon 66. Now what we can do? Again we can cut by using 2 tables. 7 2s are 14, and here 3 2s are 6, and again 3 2s are 6. Okay, so what we are having now? 7 upon 33. It is the simplest form. Okay, because we can't simplify it further, right? So that we are getting the answer as 7 upon 33. Okay, 7 upon 33. So what is asked in the question? So simply the sum of the digits of the denominator in the simplest form. Okay, so sum of the digits of the denominator. So what we need to do? We need to add the digits of the denominator. Okay, so what is the digit we are having in denominator? 33, right? So we need to add 3 plus 3. So what will you get? 3 plus 3 is 6. Can you all understood? So the answer is option C. Okay, option C is 6. Okay children, okay, copy it in your notebook. Write down the question, 15th question in your notebook, and after that copy this answer. Okay. So pause the video and write. So the next topic we are going to learn is about the basic arithmetic operations on rational numbers. Okay. So what are all the arithmetic operations you have learnt earlier in the smaller classes? So we have learnt about addition, right? Addition, add, subtract, okay, subtract, multiply, okay, and then multiply and divide, right? So these are all the arithmetic operations we have learned, right? So here today also we are going to learn the arithmetic operations on rational numbers. Okay, so in the smaller classes we have learned to add, subtract and multiply, divide numbers, smaller numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and also fractions we have learned, right? So as like the same as fractions, we are going to do arithmetic operations on rational numbers. Okay children, அப்படியே fraction மாதிரியே we are going to learn addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as division in rational numbers. Okay children, so first of all let us see about addition. Okay, in rational number addition we are having two methods. Okay, so the first one, okay, addition. So simply if I am having 1 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9. So it's very easy, right? If we are having the same denominators in the rational numbers, means it will be very easy to add, right? So simply we can add only the numerators, okay? If we are having same denominators, means simply we can write the answer as the same denominator. Simply add the numerators, okay? So 1 plus 5, 6. Okay, so if you are having 12 upon 30 plus 29 upon 30. So what we need to do? So simply we are having same denominators, right? So that what we need to do? Simply we can write the denominator, same denominator, and just add only the numerator. So 29 plus 12 means 41, okay, 41 upon 30 is the answer, right? So simply if we are having same denominators, means simply we can write the answer as the same. If we are now we are learned to add only the two rational numbers, right? So again if I am having 1 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9 plus 6 upon 9. So what will you do? Again we are having same denominators, so that we can put 9, okay, same denominator 9, and we can add only the numerator, okay. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, okay. So 9 upon 9, okay. So at the last we can simplify and write. So what is the answer? 1, we will get 1 as the answer, okay. And again if I am having 1 upon 11 plus 9 upon 11 plus 0 upon 11, what will you get? Simply we will get the same denominator. We need to add only the numerator. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 0, the same 10. So 10 upon 11 is the answer. Okay. Simply if we are having same denominators, means we can put the same denominator as the answer, and also we need to add only the numerators. Okay children. So same denominator and enna pannanum? So we can put the same denominator as the answer. Okay. Simply we need to add only the numerators. Okay, children. So this is the first method. Okay. And then second method is addition with different denominators. Okay. Rational number, addition of rational number with different denominators. Okay. See, if we are having 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, what will you do? So, again we are having two rational numbers, but we are having different denominators. So, we can solve this by using LCM method or else cross multiplication method. Okay, children. So, let us do by LCM method. Okay, so 2, what is the LCM of 2, 3? So 2, 1 and here 3 and again 3, 1 and 1. So LCM is 6. Okay. So 6. So what will be multiplied with this 2 to get 6? 3, right? So we need to multiply 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay, children. And then if it is 3, what will be multiplied with this 3 to get 6? 3 2s are 6. So that we need to multiply 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay. So what will you get? So 1 3 is 3. Okay. So put the symbol plus. So 1 2 is 2. So what is the answer? You can say it now, right? So 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. 5 upon 6. Okay. Again, if you are having three rational numbers. Okay. So how will you add 3 rational numbers? 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. Okay. So how will you add these 3 rational numbers? First of all, see the rational number. We are having different denominators, right? We are having different denominators. So different denominators means what we need to do? We need to take LCM or else we can do by cross multiplication method. Okay. So we can do LCM method. Okay. So LCM of these 3 numbers. 2, 4 and 6. Okay, let us take LCM. So 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, and again we can put 2. Okay, 1 and 3, and again we can put 3. So 1 1 and 1. Okay, for LCM we should use only the prime numbers. Okay, so what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4 and 3 4s are 12. So the LCM is 12. Okay. LCM equal to 12. Okay. So we are having the denominator as 12. Just first of all, see we are having 1 upon 2, right? So what will be multiplied with this 2 to get 12? 6 2s are 12. So, okay. So that we need to multiply 6 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay, children. So see. The next rational number is 1 upon 4. So what will you do? So 4, what will be multiplied with this 4 to get 12? 3 4s are 12, right? So that we need to multiply 3 in the denominator as well as in the numerator. Okay, children. And then the next rational number is 5 upon 6. Okay. So what will be multiplied with this 6 to get 12? 6 2s are 12. Okay, 6 2s are 12. So that we need to multiply 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay, children. So let us do. So 1 into 6, 6. Okay. So put the symbol plus. So 1 into 3, it is 3. Okay. And then 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay, children. Now we can add very easily, right? So 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 10. 19. Okay, children. So the answer is 19 upon 12. Okay, is it clear? Very easy, right? So likewise, we are going to do the sums. Okay. So take your book, page number 14. We are having example 1.10. So it's example 1.10. So what is the question? Add minus 6 upon 11, 8 upon 11, minus 12 upon 11. Okay. So see all the denominators. We are having same denominators, right? we are having the rational numbers with same denominators. Okay, so what we need to do? So simply first of all write it. Okay, minus 6 upon 11 plus 8 upon 11. Okay, we are having minus sign here, right? So that minus 12 upon 11. Okay, just put the same sign there. Okay, so minus 6 upon 11. Here we are having plus symbol. Okay, so no symbol means we can put plus. So plus 8 upon 11, and then we are having minus symbol here, so that minus 12 upon 11. Okay, children. So that what we need to do? We are having same denominators, right? So that we can put the same denominator. So what is the denominator? 11 is the denominator. Okay. So first of all, we can add the numbers with the same sign. Okay. See, we are having minus 6 here and here minus 12. Okay. So if it is same sign means what we need to do? We need to add and put the same sign, right? So 6 plus 12, 18, is it? So we can write minus 18 plus 8. Okay, children, simply I had chosen only the same sign. Here we are having my negative sign. Okay, negative, and also here also we are having negative sign. Okay, so that those two are same signs, so that I just had added and put the same sign. Okay, we know, right? Plus and minus means what we need to do? We need to add and put the same sign. Okay, same sign, right? So that here we just had added these two, 6 and 12. Okay, so we got minus 18, and then the remaining term we are having is 8. Okay, so minus 18 plus 8. Now we are having different signs, right? Minus and plus. So what we need to do? We need to subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay, children. So if we are having different signs means we need to subtract and put greater sign. Okay, so just subtract it. Minus 18 plus 8, we will get 10, right? So which is the greater number sign? Minus. So the answer is minus 10 upon 11. Okay, children. So that is the first example. And then let us see example 1.11, which is on page number 15. So the next question is add. Okay, add. It's in page number 15. Okay, so add minus 5 upon 9, comma minus 4 upon 3, comma 7 upon 12. This is the question. Okay, so see the denominators. All these rational numbers are different denominators. Okay, all these rational numbers have different denominators. So what we need to do? We need to take LCM for all the denominators. Okay, so let us take LCM. So what is LCM? So LCM of 9, 3 and 12. So see all the digits. We can put 3, right? So let us put 3. 3 is also a prime number, is it? So 3. So 3 3s are 9, and again 1 3 is 3, and 4 3s are 12. Okay, children. Again we can put 3. Okay, so 3. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3 and 4. Okay, so for this 4 we can put 2, right? So 2, 1, 1 and 2 2s are 4. And again we can put 2. So 2, 1, 1 and 1. Okay, children. So what is the LCM? LCM equal to 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 16, right? 16 2s are 32. So the LCM is 32. Sorry, so LCM is, what will you get? So 3 into 2 into 2, right? So 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. So 9 4s are 36. Okay, so the LCM is 36. So the LCM is 36. Okay, children. So let us do. So we got the denominator as 36. Denominator is 36. Okay, children. So let us check. Okay. So what is the first rational number? Minus 5 upon 9, right? So what will be multiplied with this 9 to get 36? 9 4s are 36, right? So we need to multiply 4 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay children, so we need to multiply 4 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay, so and then the next term what we are having, minus 4 upon 3. So with 3, what will be multiplied with this 3 to get 36? 12, right? So 12 3s are 36. So that we need to multiply 12 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay children, and then the next term what we are having, 7 upon 12. So what will be multiplied with this 12 to get 36? We need to multiply 3, right? So we need to multiply 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay children, so what is the term? What is the rational number we are getting? Minus 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20, right? So 20, and then put the symbol plus. Okay, put the symbol plus, and after that 4 12s are 48, right? So here we are having minus sign, so that just put minus sign. Okay, 4 12s are 48. Okay, and then here we are having plus sign, so that just put plus sign, and 7 3s are 21. Okay children, so 7 3s are 21. So we can add the numbers having same sign, right? So 48 plus 20, 68. Okay, so minus 68 plus 21 upon 36. Okay children, so what will you get? Minus 68 plus 21. We need to subtract, is it? So we are having different signs, is it? So that we need to subtract and put the greater number sign. So 8 minus 1, 7. Okay, so 6 minus 2, 4. So what is the answer? Minus 47. So greater number sign is minus, right? So minus 47 upon 36. Okay children, minus 47 upon 36 is the answer. Is it clear? Very easy, right? It is as like the same as fractions. Okay, fraction addition, right? So let me give you homework. Today's homework is from exercise, okay, from exercise 1.2, third sum. So your today's homework is in page number 19, exercise 1.2, okay, exercise 1.2, third, okay, from third sum 1 and 2 is your homework, okay children. So do your homework properly, okay, thank you.